Hello, dear gorgeous ladies. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. Welcome to Brand Mandir. I'm here to showcase beautiful collections of Kuparam today. Thanks for supporting us. Thanks for the love you are pouring. And keep on watching our lives. మీకు నచ్చిన కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి 733066939394949696 నెంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. Today I am going to showcase Kupadam sarees and beautiful Kupadam. Here we go with this beautiful pink and hot pink combination with all over body designed with zigzag zari weave. And this is the border, Meenakari florals and leaves. ఈ పర్టికులర్ కలెక్షన్స్ కోసం 7330669393 నెంబర్కి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఈ శారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 17,500 అండి. ఇవన్నీ కాస్ట్ టు కాస్ట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ టుడే. మీకు ఈ శారీ నచ్చినట్టయితే టేక్ ఏ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ MJ805 is the saree code, 17,500 is the price. 7330669393 నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బ్లౌజ్ అండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కస్టమైజ్డ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఆర్ఫర్ రూప్ మనీ అండి. మీరు ఈ నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఎలాగో ఫర్దర్ పెళ్ళిళ్ళ అకేషన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కస్టమైజ్డ్ బ్లౌజెస్ కోసం కాంటాక్ట్ రూప్ మనీ అండి 7330669393. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద జ్యువెలరీ ఐఎమ్ వేరింగ్ from Brand Mandir, silver, pure silver jewelry, beautiful earrings, and this is the Caesars and original rubies jewelry and the pure silver with gold plated. Isn't it pretty? We have lots of collections and do visit our stores. It's in Banjara Hills and Jubilee Hills. Now let's move on to our collection without wasting time. Here we go with this beautiful saree, lovely lemon yellow and blue combination. All over body Meena weaves. Beautiful kada. It's a big border, 10-inch big border with kaddi, peacocks and chakras. This is the lovely pallu with beautiful pasteles with lines, gold and silver zari. And the blouse is contrast with border. To grab this beautiful saree, MJ763 is the saree code, 14,400 is this cost to cost price. 7330669393 ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Do visit our website and www.brandmandir.com for more collections. Here we go with this one more beautiful peach pink Kupadam saree. These are pure silks andi with all over body designed with floral booties. Look at the border, contrast border, hot pink with kaddi and polkas వచ్చేయండి with pasteles. Beautiful saree. Look at the pallu, diamond brocade. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ767 and send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. We have global service and all over international level lo courier service provide chestaru. Here we go with this beautiful saree which is in black and grey. All over body intricate boxes and booties. And the border is kaddi, big border, 12 inches kaddi border. This is a beautiful pallu with elephants and lines. Elephant borders vachayandi. And the blouse is very pretty with buttas and border. It's a contrast blouse, grey. Do follow us on FB and Insta, alage YouTube lo kuda subscribe cheskondi ma channel Brand Mandar ni. Follow our page Brand Mandar. Take a screenshot. E saree grab cheyadaniki take a screenshot along with the code. The saree price is 15,700. ఇవన్నీ కాస్ట్ టు కాస్ట్ ప్రైజెస్ అండి. 7330669393కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Wow, mustard yellow and pink, fabulous combination with all over pastellates, peacocks and floral booties. And the borders are both sides 5 inches jhumki border with leaves. And let's move on to pallu. Pallu is leaf booties. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ765. 10,600 is the saree price andi. Send it to 7330669393. ఈ పర్టికులర్ కలెక్షన్స్ కోసం ఈ నంబర్ అండి టు గెట్ ఇన్ కాంటాక్ట్ విత్ యూ ఈజీలీ. నౌ లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు వన్ మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీ. ఈ నేను చూపించే శారీస్ అన్ని ప్యూర్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ శారీస్ అండి, సిల్క్స్, కుప్పడం సిల్క్స్. Here we go with one more beautiful combination, grey and green. All over body floral booties and beautiful peacocks. And the border is 12 inches big border with jhumki border and zigzag lines. Let's move on to pallu. Pallu is completely contrast with diamond brocade and floral border. Let's move on to blouse. The blouse is contrast with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ771. 12,700 is the price. 7330669393 number ki screenshot తీసి పంపించండి. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Wow, కుప్పడం saree with పైథనీ touch. చెప్పండి ఏముంది ఇందులో పైథనీ టచ్? అవునండి, ఆల్ ఓవర్ బాడీ మునియా బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. ఇట్స్ అ పింక్ అండ్ హాట్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్ అగైన్ with a very big border, almost 20 inches వరకు ఉంటుందండి. లీవ్స్ మీనాకారి ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి. Lovely. And this is the pallu, cross kaddi. Let's look into the blouse. The blouse is contrast with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code, and this beautiful saree costs 19,800. And send it to 7330669393. One more lovely saree, Kuparam saree with Pythony touch. Lovely green, mehendi green and magenta combination all over Munia booties with zari and meena. Pink meena ochindandi. Chala beautiful ga undi. And this is the border, 10 inches big border with kaddi and elephants. Peacocks kuda vachayi indulo maniki. Let's look into the border. Silver diamond brocade with florals. And the blouse is contrast with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ766. 15,700 is the saree price. 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. It's a silver and pink combination with all over body floral jal with gold and silver zari. Here we go with the kaddi border with contrast edge. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade, rich diamond brocade. We got a beautiful blouse to this saree and all over booties. Pink contrast tissue blouse with both side borders, and it's a complete tissue saree. To grab this fabulous saree, MJ798 is the saree code. 16,400 and the saree price. 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Take a screenshot and send it to this number. If you like any colors, requirements, mention in the comment box. Ee sarees anni malli we'll upload andi in Insta, FB, YouTube lo upload chestamu. You can select saree from there. Chala mandi they are asking about necklace andi. It's a pure seized with original rubies, lovely neck piece, silver jewelry with 22 karat gold plated coating andi. And these are the earrings. Contact customized blouses Roopmani andi. 7330669393 number ki contact cheyandi. Our designing team will get in contact with you. Okay. Okay, this beautiful saree pink and hot pink combination lo undandi. 17,500 andi. Take a screenshot and send it to 7330669393. Mana next saree ki velipodam andi. Lovely red and mango yellow. Fabulous combination with all over florals with gold and silver zari. And this is the border, 12-inch big border with kaddi, elephants and peacocks. Rudraksh kuda ochindandi. Let's move on to pallu. Lines వచ్చాయండి, borders అందులో pastelets వచ్చాయి gold and silver జరీతో. And the blouse is contrast with both side borders. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ768. 14,400 is the saree price. 7330669393 ki screenshot తీసి WhatsApp చేయండి. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Okay. మీకు ఇందులో కలర్స్ కావాలంటే మీరు ఆ నెంబర్కి 7330669393 నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. వీ హ్యావ్ మెనీ కలర్స్ అండి. విల్ వాట్సాప్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. లవ్లీ yellow and pink with all over floral and leaf booties. The border is beautiful with 6 inches kaddi and peacocks. This is the contrast pallu, florals and checks. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ775. 11,200 and din price. 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp చేయండి. Screenshot తీసి. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Lovely pink and red combination with all over tree booties. And the border is kaddi with peacocks and temple. And this is the pallu, brocade with peacocks and gold and silver. And the blouse is contrast red color with borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ758. 15,700 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Green and pink, magenta pink with all over circles. Yali booties and all over body. This is the border with dual peacocks and kaddi. The traditional border andi gandabarandam booties వచ్చాయి. And this is the pallu, floral brocade, diamond brocade. The blouse is contrast with both side borders. And this beautiful saree costs 12,300 and take a screenshot along with the code MJ800. 7330669393 number ki screenshot తీసి WhatsApp చేయండి. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Do follow us on FB, Insta, alage YouTube channel ni subscribe చేయండి. For more updates, stay tuned to our channels. Here we go with this orange and pink combination. Kupadam saree all over silver and gold peacock booties. And the border is 12 inches big border with diamond brocade and peacocks. This is the contrast pallu with brocade and peacocks. And the blouse is contrast with border. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ770 733066939 నెంబర్ కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 12,600 ఓన్లీ. Do visit our website www.brandmandir.com for more collections. Lovely green, golden peach. ఇది greenish gold shade లో ఉందండి. It's a tissue and the border is contrast peach color. All over body tree motifs వచ్చాయి with Meena lines, and the border is 12 inches big border with yalis, kaddi and peacocks. And this is the border. This is the pallu with diamond brocade, and the blouse is contrast tissue blouse with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ762 and the saree price is 15,700. Send it to 7330669393. Let's move on to one more beautiful saree. If you want any colors, you can mention in the comment box. Here we go with this peach, pink and mustard kalneita saree andi, with all over peacock, dual peacock floral booties, and the border is kaddi with florals. Pallu is contrast with diamond brocade, and this is the blouse, contrast blouse with borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ796. 11,600 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. ఈ sarees అన్ని వీడియోస్ సేవ్ అవుతాయండి. You can watch leisurely also. Here we go with the grey and magenta combination. All over body small florals, and the border is contrast with kaddi, zigzag lines and florals. And this is the pallu with diamond brocade and peacocks in circles. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ764. 12,500 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree which is in red and pink. All over floral jal and beautiful parrots. And the border is very big border with kaddi. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade with peacocks. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with both side borders. And ఇవన్నీ weavers prices అండి, cost to cost prices. And this beautiful saree costs only 15,700. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ769. Send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. One more tissue saree which is in blue and red combination. All over floral booties. And the border is kaddi with peacocks, rudraksh, unicorns in checks. And this is the pallu, rich diamond brocade, and manaki borders వచ్చాయి. And the blouse is contrast tissue blouse with borders. Sorry, this is the blouse. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ791. 10,300 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. Here we go with mustard yellow and peach combination. All over body checks with florals and peacocks. And this is the pallu with polka weave. And the border is all over floral jal. And this is the blouse, contrast with checks and both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ772. 14,100 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree, which is in pink and hot pink again, bubblegum pink again. Peachish pink and the Kalnit saree. All over floral booties వచ్చాయి. And the border is contrast with unicorn horse border and peacocks ఉన్నాయండి చూడండి ఒకసారి with kaddi. And the pallu brocade with florals. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ760. 15,500 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. If you want customized blouses andi, Roopmani, contact R for Roopmani andi. 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Our designing team will get in contact with you. Lovely greenish pink and pink combination. All over body floral booties, and the border is kaddi with peacocks and florals. And the pallu is completely diamond brocade pallu. And the blouse is contrast with border. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ780. 11,400 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Shavya ane client, beautiful client, red saree adigarandi. This beautiful saree for you andi Shavya garu. It's a rich kuppadam with all over floral jal and beautiful peacocks and parrots weave వచ్చాయండి. It's a kaddi border both sides. Beautiful pallu with peacocks and diamond brocade. And the blouse is contrast pink color. You can go for customized blouse too. Now Now let's move on to mannequins. ఈ సారీ కోడ్ వచ్చేసి MJ769, 15,700 is the saree price and Shravya garu. Take a screenshot and send it to 7330669393. One more lovely shade. Blue and lemon yellow. All over body floral booties. And the border is contrast with floral and kaddi. And this is the pallu with diamond brocade. The blouse is contrast with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ773, 11,400 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. If you want any colors, mention in the comment box. I am ready to show you. Beautiful lime yellow and pink with all over floral, curvy floral jal. And the border is kaddi, rich kaddi border with pink edge. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade. Is saree ki blouse chala beautiful ga vachindi. Look at the blouse, how pretty it is. Pink tissue blouse with booties and both side borders. Lovely kada. Grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ799, send it to 7330669393 and the saree price only 16,400. Grab this beautiful tissue saree. It's a pure silk Kuppadam sarees. Wear handlooms and support weavers. One more beautiful saree, silver and candy pink. All over booties, tree booties with gold and silver zari. Look at the border. Beautiful kaddi florals. And the pallu is florals in polka dots. And the blouse is tissue blouse, contrast with both side borders. It's a completely tissue, silver tissue saree andi. To grab this beautiful saree, it's a completely bridal wear. MJ776 is the saree code, 13,700 andi saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. వావ్, ఇది చూస్తే మన అమ్మమ్మల సారీస్ అవి గుర్తొస్తున్నాయి కదండి. యా, ఇట్స్ ఓల్డ్ వీవ్ బట్ విత్ మోడర్న్ కలర్స్ అండి. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది సారీ, నాకైతే చాలా చాలా నచ్చింది. విచ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ బ్రింజాల్ అండ్ పర్పుల్ కాంబినేషన్. ఫెంటాస్టిక్ సారీ విత్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ బాడీ చెక్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ ఇన్ పాస్లేస్. Look at the border, how beautiful it is with kaddi, lovely peacocks and florals. This is the pallu, diamond brocade with floral border. Blouse is contrast blouse with lines, zari lines and border. Lovely weave, lovely beautiful saree. Don't miss this saree, naakaithe chala nachindi. MJ 778 is the saree code. 14,800 మాత్రమే అండి saree cost. Send it to 7330669393. వాట్సాప్ చేయండి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి. One of the beautiful client asked for this saree andi, which is in green and magenta combination with all over munia booties. Look at the border, contrast border with kaddi, elephants and peacocks. Lovely kada. ఈ మునియా రావడం వల్ల చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉందండి. పైతిని టచ్ వచ్చింది ఈ శారీకి, కుప్పడం విత్ పైతిని. సో రెండు ఒకేసారి వచ్చేస్తాయి, పైతిని అండ్ కుప్పడం. ఈ శారీ తీసేసుకుంటే ఈ శారీ కొనడానికి MJ766 is the saree code అండి. Take a screenshot along with the code and send it to 7330669393. ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 15,700 మాత్రమే అండి. Now back to our collections. Lovely mehendi green and orange. All over booties, floral booties. And the border is 12 inches kaddi border. Circles in pastelis, lotus. Beautiful border with many variations in the weave. And this is the pallu. It's a complete brocade pallu with peacock border. Let's move on to blouse. Blouse is contrast with both side borders. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ795 and send it to 7330669393. ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి ఓన్లీ 13,000. Now let's move on to one more beautiful saree. ఇందాక మనం బ్లూ అని చూసాం కదండి, బ్లూ అండ్ రెడ్. అందులో మనకి గ్రే అండ్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్. All over floral booties. It's a tissue saree again with rich borders, peacock, kaddi with gold and silver touch. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade pallu with borders. And the blouse is contrast, tissue blouse with border. Lovely combination. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ787. 10,300 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వీడియో ఏదైతే లైవ్ ఉందో ఇట్ విల్ బి అప్లోడెడ్ ఇన్ FB and Insta again and YouTube లో కూడా అండి. కీప్ ఆన్ ఫాలోయింగ్ us for more updates. ఆ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసేసుకున్నారు కదా, ఓకే, సెండ్ ఇట్ టు వాట్సాప్ అండి. Lovely saree which is in green and blue combination with all over zari lines and beautiful roses వచ్చాయండి. అలాగే పికాక్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి. సిల్వర్ జరీతో పికాక్స్ వచ్చాయి, గోల్డెన్ జరీతో రోజెస్ వచ్చాయి. And this is the border with brocade, cross lines, peacocks. And this is the pallu with cross lines and both side borders, slight touch of meena. And this is the blouse, tissue blouse with lines, contrast blouse with border. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ781 and send it to 7330669393. And this beautiful saree costs only 11,000. Visit our website www.brandmandir.com for more beautiful collection. One of our pretty client asked for this saree, which is in lemon yellow and green blue combination. Andi adi green la kanpadutundi. It's a blue actually. Kalneto saree with all over floral booties, beautiful border with floral vines and kaddi, and the pallu is rich diamond brocade. The blouse is contrast yellow. Vinutna garu meekosame andi saree chuistunnanu. Take a screenshot and send it to 7330669393. Take a screenshot along with the code and 12,600 is the saree price. Now back to our collection once again. Pink and blue combination. It's a tissue saree with all over checks. This has very big border, 15 inches big border with kaddi, circles, unicorns and peacocks. The pallu is contrast with diamond brocade. And this is the blouse. Contrast blouse, tissue blouse with both side borders. And this beautiful saree costs 10,300. Take a screenshot along with the code. MG783 is the saree code. 10,300 is the saree price. Take a screenshot and send it to 7330669393. నేను వేసుకున్న సారీ చాలా మంది అడుగుతున్నారండి. 17,500. మీకు ఈ సారీ నచ్చినట్టయితే ఇమీడియట్గా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇవన్నీ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ డిజైనర్ కలెక్షన్స్ అండి. వన్ సోల్డ్ అవుట్, యూ కాన్ గెట్ దిస్ అగైన్. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్, మీరు ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ వాట్సాప్ చేసి పేమెంట్ చేసేస్తారో వాళ్ళది ఈ సారీ అండి. నౌ లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు వన్ మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ. Bridal color, silver and red combination with all over floral booties, and the border is contrast border with cross kaddi and beautiful lotus andi. Look at the pallu. Pallu is with beautiful lines and lotus. To grab this saree, look at the blouse. It's a contrast blouse with both side borders. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ782. 11,000 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. One of our beautiful client asked for this beautiful saree. Lovely saree. Yellow and orange combination with all over floral booties, small floral booties, and with big borders andi. Code వచ్చేసి MJ795 అండి. 13,000 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. For this particular collection 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Tondarga we get in contact with you. Lovely green and blue combination. It's a tissue saree with all over floral booties. And the border is contrast with cross kaddi and lotus motifs. And the pallu is beautiful contrast with lotus and lines. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. It's a tissue blouse again. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ792. 11,000 is the saree price. 7330669393 ki WhatsApp cheyandi screenshot tesi. And these are weavers prices, cost to cost prices andi. Now let's move on to mannequins. Lime green and peach combination. Beautiful saree with all over floral leaf booties. And the border is peach contrast border with kaddi and meenakari florals. Look at this beautiful blouse. It's for Rupamani. It's a designer customized blouses. Contact 7330669393 and this beautiful saree costs 18,430 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ807 and send it to 7330669393. One more beautiful saree. Chala different ga undandi. Design చెప్పాను కదండి, our Mandar sarees collections are different and exclusive అని. Look at this beautiful saree with all over checks and florals with meenakari touch, and this is the border, contrast border, pink color, floral vines and kaddi border. Such a pretty saree. ఇది గంగా జమున బార్డర్స్ వచ్చాయండి. కింద వైపు పింక్ వచ్చింది, పై వైపు గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో ఉంది మనకి బార్డర్. And the blouse is contrast orange color. If you want to go to customized blouses, look at this beautiful blouse. Contact on this number 7330669393 అండి. And this saree costs 18,640. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ806. 18,640 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. One more beautiful saree. Peach and bubblegum pink combination with all over floral booties. And the border is diamond brocade and intricate floral design. And this is the pallu, leaf brocade, and this is the blouse. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ809. 12,300 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Lovely blouse again from Arfur Rupmani. Visit our website for more exclusive collections. Lovely collections here on the table. Lovely shades, beautiful tissues and pure silk kuppadam sarees. Look at the sarees. If you liked any saree, take a screenshot immediately and send it to 7330669393. It's a royal blue saree with sea blue, copper sulphide blue border. and this is how it looks when you wear. To grab this beautiful saree, $21,900 rich Kuppuram saree. We have beautiful tissue green and half white. Lovely black with all over booties, silver combination lo adripoyindandi idi. Black and silver evergreen combination. Border చూసుకుంటే మీనాతో ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి with kaddi, silver kaddi lo, and this is a beautiful pallu with intricate lines and florals, and the blouse is contrast blouse with both side borders. Ee saree price vachesi 16,900. Look at the saree, how pretty it is. Take a screenshot immediately and send it to 7330669393. One more beautiful saree, lovely red and yellow combination with all over florals. With borders, big borders. And this is how it looks. Take a screenshot and send it to 7330669393. One of the beautiful client asked for green tissue. Rendu green tissues unnayandi. This is a pista green with complete tissue, silver tissue and silver booties, and the border is kaddi border, and this beautiful saree costs 8,900, just 8,900. Grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot immediately and send it to 7330669393. And this is the pallu. Wow, blouse is చాలా బాగా వచ్చిందండి. బ్లౌజ్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి with both side borders. One more green ఉందండి ఇందులో. It's a one more green and pink combination. It's a tissue saree. With all over floral booties, gold and silver to. And look at the pallu. Tissue pallu with diamond brocade and pasleys. Okay. Blouse, contrast tissue blouse with both side borders. And this lovely saree costs 19,200, and this is how it looks. Such a fabulous saree. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot immediately and send it to 7330669393. Do visit our website www.brandmandir.com for more exclusive and designer collection. For customized blouses are for Rupmani. Keep on following our pages, Brand Mandir in FB and Insta. అలాగే ఫేస్బుక్లో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని. ఇంకా చాలా కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. ఇంకా బ్రైట్ కలర్స్, డార్క్ కలర్స్ ఇష్టపడే వాళ్ళు వెంటనే మీకు ఏదైనా శారీ నచ్చితే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వెంటనే పంపించండి. లవ్లీ శారీ అండి. ఇట్స్ అ గ్రే అండ్ పింక్ చెక్స్ కాంబినేషన్లో వచ్చింది. Look at the beautiful saree. Grey and pink combination with lovely pallu. Circles, intricate circles వచ్చాయి, florals వచ్చాయి. And blouse కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా వచ్చింది. చెక్స్ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయండి. కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ లైన్స్ అండ్ బోత్ సైడ్ బార్డర్స్. ఈ శారీ మీకు నచ్చితే వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీయండి. 7330669393 నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. లుక్ ఎట్ ద కలెక్షన్స్. వీఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ వెరీ స్లోలీ అండి. మీకు నచ్చిన శారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఇది కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందండి. ఇట్స్ అ ట్రెడిషనల్ కలర్, లవ్లీ. ఇది చూపించండి ఒకసారి. వన్ మోర్ ఫ్యాబ్యులస్ సారీ. And this is how it looks. Look at the brightness in this saree. కొన్ని చూడ్డానికంటే వేసుకుంటే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా అనిపిస్తాయండి. Look at the borders. All over body checks with florals and double color border. మనకి రెడ్ అండ్ గ్రీన్లో వచ్చింది. వైట్ శారీ గురించి చాలా మంది అడుగుతున్నారు. ఈ శారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి పెట్టుకోండి. సెండ్ ఇట్ టు 7330669393. ఈ శారీ ప్రైస్ 14,900 అండి. వైట్ శారీ అడుగుతున్నారండి చాలా మంది, వాళ్ళ కోసం. ఇట్స్ సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ అండి, వైట్. బ్లౌజ్ మాత్రం కాంట్రాస్ట్ వచ్చింది. యూ కెన్ గో విత్ ఎనీ అదర్ కలర్స్. కస్టమైజ్ బ్లౌజెస్ కోసం డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్ కూడా యూజ్ చేసి వేసుకుంటే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. ఆల్ ఓవర్ చెక్స్ వచ్చే ఇంట్రికేట్ డిజైన్ వచ్చింది బాక్స్లో. అండ్ ద బార్డర్స్ కడ్డీ బార్డర్ విత్ పికాక్స్ వచ్చాయి. లుక్ ఎట్ ద పల్లు, డైమండ్ బ్రొకేడ్ అండ్ లైన్స్. And the blouse is grey color, contrast blouse with both side borders. And this saree costs 16,400 andi. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. One more lovely shade, green andi, beautiful bottle green. ఇది పైథిని స్టైల్లో వచ్చింది. కొంచెం మనకి బార్డర్ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే మీనాకారి లోటస్ వచ్చాయి విత్ పింక్ ఎడ్జ్. ఆల్ ఓవర్ బాడీ ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. And this is how it looks when you wear. Isn't it lovely? To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot. 17,800 and the saree price. Screenshot తీసి 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. And the blouse is contrast for this saree, pink color. And this is the pallu, triangular brocade. Now we'll be going to back to our collections. Now let's see one more beautiful saree which is in peach and navy blue combination. Peach and navy blue combination lo the tissue saree, all over leaves and peacocks vachayandi booties. Look at the border, beautiful peacocks and kaddi border, 15 inches big border. This is the pallu with cross lines. And the border is contrast tissue blouse with border. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ789. Send it to 7330669393 and the saree price is 10,300. Do follow our pages for more and more collections. Brand Mandir in FB, Insta lo follow avandi, alage FB lo, YouTube lo subscribe cheskondi Brand Mandir channel ni. పక్కన బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. అలా అయితే మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయండి ఏం అప్లోడ్ చేసినా. One more green and pink combination with all over checks and peacocks. And this is the border, contrast border with peacocks and kaddi. Pallu is contrast with diamond brocade. And the blouse is contrast with lines and border. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ786. 10,600 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. These are pure handloom sarees, silk sarees, and today cost to cost prices. For beautiful client, one of the client asked for this saree, which is in cream and pink combination with all over zari lines, rudraksh and peacock booties, and the border is beautiful big border, 15 inches border with lines, peacocks in circles, floral vines and kaddi. And this is the pallu with diamond brocade, and the blouse is pink with both side borders. A fabulous saree vachesi 14,500. Take a screenshot immediately and send it to 7330669393. One more lovely saree which is in blue and green combination, all over checks and peacocks and circles. Border is zigzag kaddi with beautiful peacocks. Pallu is contrast with cross lines and border. And this is a blouse, tissue blouse with lines and border. Different combination, very rare color collection. To grab this saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ797. It's a pure tissue saree, 9,900 saree price. 7330669393 ki WhatsApp cheyandi. ఇవే కాదండి, ఇంకా చాలా కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మీకు ఇంకా ఏదైనా కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ అది కావాలంటే 7330669393కి కాల్ చేయండి. వీడియో కాల్ ద్వారా యూ కెన్ సీ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ కలెక్షన్స్. Here we go with this yellow and peach combination, dark peach. All over body, florals and peacocks achai. Look at the border. It's a rich border with florals and cross kaddi. Pallu is completely contrast with meena and beautiful lotus. And the blouse is contrast tissue blouse with border. To grab this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ785. 11,000 is the saree price. 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Be patient andi. Our team will get in contact with you within 24 hours. We are getting lots of queries andi, so just be patient. We'll get back to you soon as possible. Here we go with this beautiful grey and peach combination. All over checks with peacocks, and the border is diamond brocade with peacocks in circles. Pallu is cross lines, contrast pallu. Idi kuda tissue saree andi, and the blouse is tissue contrast blouse with border. To grab this saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ784. 10,600 is the saree price. 10,600 and the saree price. 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Now let's see one more saree. For customized blouses, contact R for Rupmani. 7330669393 number ki WhatsApp cheyandi. Our designing team will get in contact with you. Lovely mint green and pink combination. Ee saree vachesi all over floral booties. It's a tissue saree again, and the border is contrast with unicorns, peacocks and kardeen. Pallu is diamond brocade. The blouse is contrast tissue blouse with borders. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot along with the code MJ790. 10,300 is the saree price. 7330669393 number ki ventane WhatsApp cheyandi. One more tissue saree, peach and navy blue combination with all over roses and peacocks and checks. Lines వచ్చాయండి మనకి జరీ లైన్స్ సారీలో. Look at the border, navy blue border with diamond brocade, peacocks and cross lines. The pallu is cross lines with beautiful peacocks, slight touch of meena. This is a blouse with lines, contrast blouse with lines and borders. To grab this saree, take a screenshot along with the code MJ793. 11,000 is the saree price. Send it to 7330669393. Final saree. Keep on watching. Follow our pages. Stay tuned to our channel for more and more collections. Here we go with this last saree for tonight. Yellow and red combination with checks, beautiful peacocks, and the border is contrast red with beautiful peacocks in circles and diamond brocade. Look at the pallu, contrast pallu with cross lines. And the border is contrast blouse, tissue blouse with both side borders. Keep on following our pages, subscribe చేసుకోండి యూట్యూబ్ లో. ఈ సారీస్ అన్ని మళ్ళీ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాం. ఈ ఎపిసోడ్ అంతా ఇన్స్టాలో ఉంటుంది, ఎఫ్బీలో ఉంటుంది, అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా ఉంటుందండి. We provide global courier service. Take a screenshot of this beautiful saree, MJ788. 10,600 is the saree price. 7330669393 ki WhatsApp cheyandi. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని మీకు చూపిస్తానండి. ఒకసారి చూడండి, మీకు నచ్చితే ఎప్పుడైతే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ మిస్ అవుతారో మళ్ళీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. Be at home, stay shopping at Mandir, safe shopping అండి. మీకు కావాల్సిన వీడియో కాల్ ద్వారా కూడా చాలా కలెక్షన్స్ చూడొచ్చు. We have very wide range of collections. Do visit our website www.brandmandir.com for more exclusive collections for customized blouses or for Rupmani. Contact on that number 7330669393. Good night, everyone. Okay. మీకు ఏదైనా పర్టికులర్ కలెక్షన్స్ కావాలన్నా కూడా you can message. I'll be showing in the next day. Good night.